Yeah. Yes, correct. He got messaged me before.
Yeah. My brother-in-law, this my mother-in-law's car. My brother-in-law got key in the back.
Normal. Wow, inside very dirty. Long time didn't put the key inside already.
Yeah.
The key inside. Oh.
Yeah, because it's always
Yeah. The black color one inside. Oh, done.
oh done. Oh,
Turn. Can open. Yep, you can open.
oh
Yeah. But you need to go inside. You press the chair. You go inside and go to take the key. You want me to go inside or you go inside?
I don't know what the key is. I think it's somewhere at the book.
Yeah, you want me to help you to go inside? Or you go inside also?
Can I open the book from here?
Cannot.
Oh, so you have to go inside here?
Yeah, you go inside. You want me to help you to go inside also can. You go inside also can. Open the shoe better. Open the shoe better. Yeah, can open because it's SUV can open one. Yup, done. Okay, press the button, you can open the door. Press the button. Yup, correct. One more time. Yes, correct, you can open. Tired. Okay, thank you.